As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. I am flipping it inside out, but I'm not worrying about doing a center line and keeping symmetry and everything on this one. You could do this with symmetry, but I'm not going to worry about it. Sorry, step's still under there for the camera. Alright, so what I'm going to do is this. Let's flatten that out. We don't. I know it's kind of weird. Why is he flattening this out if he's just going to sit there and jumble it up into a mess? I don't know. Makes it better. Right. Not worried about trying to create any neon designs, anything that'll end up turning into a face or anything like that. It'll all end up turning into a face anyway because your brain looks at it and goes, hey, I'm pretty sure there's a face in there. There's a name for it, and somebody's going to be shouting in the comments now going, that's called such and such. See? I don't even have to look it up. Somebody will take care of it for me. Alright, got those two pulled. I won't do this one until I do the length. And that's to keep it from pulling in too tight. So I'll do one down the center. And I'll help compress it in. Now I'll come back out to these. And it's pulling on itself too much. There we go. Now you do need to keep track of what's the top and bottom. Or I guess you don't. I mean, what it works out to is what it works out to. But I'm trying to keep track of the top and bottom. So let's do this one. Alright, I'm going to do a couple of diagonals just to try and keep it tight. I can't find another one of those. That's too thin. That's too stretchy. There we go. Alrighty. That one was quick and easy. Off to dye. This is the collar. So this is the top of the shirt and this is the bottom. And the colors that are going to be used are Better Black, Charcoal Gray, Pewter, and Mist Gray. And these are all from Dharma. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'll let this sit until it melts through and then we'll take care of the back. Alright, it's melted through. So I've got some thick aluminum foil. I'm going to put that underneath to create a boat to hold some liquid dye. And this is just the black mixed up as a liquid. And that's probably about 12 to 14 ounces that was poured in. I made up 16. I've got a little left in case it all gets pulled into the shirt. I'll let this sit for about 12 hours and then we'll probably do the washout. So how do you think this turned out? I like this. I wasn't expecting this, which is, I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it. What is it, Lichtenberg or whatever it is? I think so. For the where you put the electricity on either end of the wood and have it with the like salt solution across it and it burns the lightning bolt looking things. That kind of looks like that. It almost looks like, I don't know, fungus or something spreading and growing across. I like the look. I really didn't expect it to be like this. I prefer this kind of look to the more blotchy look here. The greater definition of the lines I prefer. As far as the black liquid that it actually sat in, I do think that helped. And we've got dark definitions all around the perimeter, which I think kind of contains this look, which I prefer. So I like this overall. Here's the back for those that ask. So I might have to fiddle with this one a little more, see if I can get more of this look into it, and while still keeping the darker edges. See, I say I don't like this part, but it actually works because it is confined to the outer edge. So it does work overall if you look at the entire piece combined. The only thing that I would like to be more like this is this section right here, maybe this right here. But it's a tie-dye. So what are your thoughts on this? Try it again, keep it tighter, see how everything comes out? I don't know. And until next time though, thanks for watching.